Hello, everybody. I hope I'm talking loud enough so you can hear. Y'all caught us at a fairly good time, I would say. Yeah, Jovi just got out of the tub and he got his hair all wet. And Mom was trying to dry it with the little cloth diaper, the old time cloth diaper. Wait a minute, wait. Oh boy, he wants to do everything himself. Now, come on. Mima said do it like this. So I hope everybody's having a good weekend. And I have to remember, talk louder. Yeah, I do have a low tone voice. And it's annoying to me. I remember when people used to call and they said, hi, sir, is the wife at home? And I'm like, I'm not a man, you know. Just say hi. Don't making me so self-conscious. Ain't that right, y'all? There go the aunties over there. Look at the aunties. Say, Mommy tried to comb my hair with her finger while I was taking a bath. Because she said she didn't have time. Because she wanted to finish showing up the things that I got. And also some more things from the UK that she will be selling. Okay, let's get Jovi ready. Right quick. Let's see, I wanted to wipe this over here. Okay, because I did put a little moisturizer in his hair. Okay, let me say that again because I think it was low. I did put a little moisturizer in his hair. So, I had to clean these eyes. I always do it separately. Normally I do it with Q-tips, but they're not on board right now, and I don't feel like looking for it. Here, look what Mima got it. Look what Mima. Isn't this so cute? I'm going to hang this in their stroller as well. Look at what Mima got you. It said, mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah, he's ready. This little bear sleeping to him. You know what? Chloe was really acting strange last night. And dress while I talk. And so I could not figure out why was she, crying and going on, because she normally don't do that. Well, I checked on Tori. Tori was sound asleep. But, Tori sleeps like a log. She can't hear nothing. Or she refused to hear something. Okay. But anyway, I think I'm going to put him in this right here. Okay. But anyway, she was really upset. And it kind of upsetted me because I couldn't figure out. You know how babies are sometimes. You can't figure them out. You don't know why they're crying. They're dry. They're full. Came in here with Mr. Buster, and he had Chloe's lovey. Yeah, he did. He'd had her lovey. And I'm like, no wonder. I'm not even thinking about that, Yep. Just grinning with it and fidgeting with it and everything. I'm like, Jovi, come on now. You know that's your sister. So what size is this? So I know whether to put, I still need to put some socks on you. Well, I could do it later. Okay. I would do it later. He might not need any socks. I don't know. It's been pretty hot here in Georgia. Hey, yay. And what about my football fans? Let's see. If you don't know, let's say the Chiefs play the Jaguars at 1 o'clock. The Steelers play Atlanta Falcons at 1 o'clock. The Bengals play the Dolphins at 1, I think. And let's see, the Rams and the Seahawks plays at 4, I think it's 4:25. And the Browns and the Dolphins play at 1. So now, I love the Steelers. You know, and they play in my hometown, you know. They playing old Mac Ryan. Can't get it together, and you know, I don't see, man, he makes the most money as a quarterback. All the mistakes he be doing. Should put you on a t-shirt too. But anyway, we'll wait. Jovi. Look at him. He's so man and shining. Bert came over a couple of days ago and brought him something. And Lord, he was just showing out because his cousin was with him. I don't like the way this feel back here. Let me see. Could be some conditioner or something. Okay. Always wipe. If you use conditioner, please wipe the ears and the back of the neck. Any part that may be on the baby for it's the face and neck and areas. Just wipe it on off. Ain't that right, Jovi? Look at him. We took him to the doctor. We thought something was wrong with him. And the doctors told us that he was fine. He just needed a little cereal in his bottle. I didn't know. I mean, you know, he was drinking bottle after bottle, and then he would choke. You know, I thought something. I thought he had reflux feeling. You know, reflux. What you call it? Yeah. These. I love this little set. It has the hand mitts made onto it. I love anything that's on the Komomo side. You're sliding down, boo. You're sliding down. Now, look at the TT. Yes. Yeah, look at that boy. Ooh, I'm so crazy about him. I hope I'm button snapping you in, right? I don't see any. Okay, so they're all out. They're all out. And this is a little bit too big for you, but it's a 0 to 3 months. Okay. Like I said, I will, you know, to the sisters, I will be selling some things. They're not like the Jockety things now. They're from the UK, but, you know, from Children's Salon, and they're, you know, they're not the highest end. Yeah, you try. Clothing. And I guess like for casual, you know, ain't the right book. I was going to do a feeding with him, but let's put this up. I want to get these clothes out the way so we can be normal with the aunties and uncles and the cousins. Yes. That's cute. And this is going to go on your head tonight. Okay. We'll see if we have enough time right now. Wait a minute, did I change you? I sure didn't change him. Ooh, don't be calling defects on me. My baby's wet. Yes, some is. So look at that, Auntie. You see the line? Oh, my goodness. Jovi. Now I got to change you on video. Oh. Okay. I'm just so not used to, you know, covering up and everything. And I don't want to spike up YouTube or any. Y'all can't see it, can you? You all didn't see that, did you? I'm trying. Wait a minute. Turn your heads, y'all. Turn your heads. Ah. Here we go, man. We working with something now. We got some gas on us. We got some gas. This is one of the, where's the box? Pure Pampers. Size 1. And it fits him well. He wears size 0 to 3 months. Maybe this one ran a little large, but anyway. 0 to 3 months in size shoe. If you're getting a baby, he wears size 0. Some 0 to 3 months. Some just kind of, you know, I measure my baby feet, which measure out to 4.3 centimeters. So if you're getting things from, I'm going to turn this up, too, because I'm not going to cover up your hands right now. Only when I feed you, because you be trying to take over the bottle. Look at that sweet little root. Look at that sweet little rooty root. Look at you. You all those wrinkles in your neck look like a... Let's see if aunties can see it. Can they see it? Can they see it? Did they see it, Jovi? Did they? Okay, Jovi said yes. Maybe I'll just feed him and probably do the clothes some other day or something. I don't know. But, because I want you all to hear him. I said, I'm in a wrong position. Let me see if I can turn. Let me see if I can turn. This is my makeshift corner. I'm going to take the pants off and let you have on just a little top. But, I don't know how I want to go at this minute. Jovi. Okay, there's your passy right there. Okay, I'm gonna, let me see, maybe a little bit more. We're doing the wow about mommy. That's so cute. He looks so cute in it too. Yes. Yes, I do. Okay. Now maybe, dog, I need to go, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Jovi, where's your passy? Let's see, can mommy hold you and feed you? He looks so different with his hair wet like this. I want you guys to see him. Let me get his baba. Let's get the baba. Here's my twist and shake. I really don't need this, but I would just use a smidget. And that's how much I used, okay? And it's not like an everyday thing with me, because Jovi has a big mouth. Yes, he does. A full tongue and gums. Oh, yes. Joe, come on. Come on, show your aunties. Show the aunties how you just done graduated. I just done graduated. I just drink a whole bottle. Let's put this pacifier on. Be up on you, sweetie, because you know you be doing some things. Spitting and gurgling and some of everything. I might need a whole bath towel for you, because that's just how much you spit. And I hope this video is coming out loud. Not loud, but loud enough for you all to hear. I'm sorry about the other video. I am. I was just really, you know, I was so upset about that, you know. And you all came and yes, you still said good, gave me good comments. Maybe I can get a little closer. Okay, let me try to change. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. Still need to bring it in. Let's see. Oh, Lord, I don't want this thing to tear out now, because it's a makeshift. Okay, let's put your Bobby there. How we gonna feed you? Okay. All right, little man. I mean, you know what? I hate grabbing them by their face, because that's not, you know, it's not so real. You know, it's not real like, come, now you know you want this bottle. Got a little cereal in here for you. Cereal? Put it in there, Mommy. Put it. I don't force anything about my baby. If it's forceful, then I back off. I don't do anything forceful. I'm sorry, just get the bump of your head on her leg. Don't want it, don't it? Let the people see. Let them see how you be eating, Joey. Let them see. It was something else I had to tell you all. I have just blew my mind right quick. My brain goes on vacation and it don't even ask. It don't even act. It just go. You see the bubbles? You spitting? Shoot, no. Joey said, I'm not spilling a drop. Oh, he loved this cereal. And his Baba go along with his theme, his PJ theme. Oh, yeah. Oh, wee. Go, Jovi, go. Oh, up. That's it. You got the hand up there. Y'all see it. Look at him. Mama, sweetheart. I love you so much. He don't like for you to interrupt his meals either. What else I had to tell you guys? Oh, okay. I'm in, my Sabbath is ending, and, you know, I prayed for everybody, everyone, frenemies and sisters and stuff, and I just pray for everybody. I just pray for everybody, and that, you know, we come together at least as two, you know. Everybody's scattering. It's just a scatter. I know what I had to say. I'm so happy I remember. um, I always gotta look like this. Wait a minute, y'all. Give me a minute. Clothes trying to jump off, man. Whew. Okay. I forgot to tell you guys that my hubby got Jovi for my birthday. He's a birthday baby. He's my birthday baby, which was September the 22nd. Okay, what you doing? September the 22nd? Yes, I forgot. I didn't get around to tell everybody because, my husband's son had passed, and that Saturday we were out of town. You gonna burp? You gonna burp for him? Let's see if you burp for him. You hear? You finished, man? Okay. All right, you big enough. I don't have to throw you on my shoulder or throw your head over, bend your head over. Did y'all hear that? Did you hear that? Ain't breathing. I know y'all probably can't hear that. Yeah, baby, we're going to have some fun. Yes, we are. Come on, Jovi. Come on. There you go. That's your good boy. Oh, yes. Oh, he's landing it now. He is landing this food. Wait a minute, Joe, you kind of spitting on yourself. Then your auntie be saying, you didn't take that wet thing off of him, and he was all this, that, and the other. Yes, my birthday. I had forgotten all about it. Ooh, y'all better do something but me. Somebody better help me. In the near future, I want to do some giveaways, and I'm sure it's going to be something small, not big, probably won't even show it, Just put a little T in the Y there. Thank you. Yeah. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? You drinking? Yeah, you drinking. Look at Bub. That's my sugar snuggle. He's my wooga. Oh my gosh. Yeah, me and Don got called out trying to talk low and sexy. Hoping that's, never mind, because my husband, all shut eyes are not sleep. That's what they used to say. And that's true because I know my eyes wasn't. My eyes wasn't. They were shut, but I was aware of everything. Okay. Oh boy, you eating. You didn't put your hand up. You just going at it, huh? Ooh, good gracious alive. Y'all see. Well, anyway, I know Sunday is like Sunday best, dressed and everything like that. But we still can promote and get on there with the football team. Come on, ladies. Are you ready for some football? Yeah, they got us paying for that dang it stadium. It's not even in Atlanta. Somewhere in, I don't even know. I don't know where it is. The Mercedes. It wasn't anything wrong with the last stadium they tore down. It hadn't been up there that long. But, you know, it's funny how they, oh, we're gonna pay for it, we're gonna take this. Not, it's coming out our money. I can't even pay attention in that place. It's so expensive. So I know I won't be going to any games unless I find some good tickets on, look at that. Can y'all see? 6 ounces. What he down to? 2 ounces. So he drank 4 ounces. He drank 4 ounces. Did y'all hear me? Okay. All right, now he's about ready to burp again. He's about ready. Go ahead, Jovi. Go ahead, sweetie. Mama ready to rub your tummy. Y'all hear that? I told y'all. He be gurgling and burping and everything. I told y'all. Diana, girl, you the best. You are the best. Uh-uh. Oh. Well, wait. Huh? Boy. Oh, your auntie's gonna be so excited. Oh. Oh, man, he gurgling, y'all. He talking. What you want Mama to know? Huh? Woo. Oh, I love my babies. Y'all didn't ask what Chloe was. Chloe's in the bed with Tori. Oh, I already done told y'all. She was, Lord, bless her heart. You better go ahead and swallow that, son. Okay, come on. Let me have you up. How many minutes? Okay. We got some good time. Don't spit up on me, please. Mommy don't have no more clothes. Mommy don't have no more clothes. Look at that polka sucker. Look at that wooga wooga. Got you out of frame, son. Just gurgling away. Let's see. Aren't you finished? Oh, that was a good one. Let me see. Ooh. Ooh. Listen at him. Don't be like your dada. Just belt. Just belt. Don't even say nothing. Till I say, excuse the pig. You have any more? Y'all heard it. I know y'all heard it. I know y'all heard him. Okay, Jovi. Okay. Mommy's gonna, along with his bottle. I think I showed you all once before, but they're twist and shape. They come with their pacifiers. Cool. It's so cool. And he loves it. Tori don't like it as much, but Mr. Man right here, Is it in there, Mommy Sugar? Is it? Now you want to show out in front of the aunties now. Just, thing. Let it go in your... Lord have mercy. He's so spoiled. Okay, I'm going to put him on this side and try to go through. You so... Oh, my baby, just so sweet and so cute. And he burped for the auntie. Yes, it did. Okay, let's put your bear. We're going to put the bear right there. Okay, okay. Make sure you don't fall off the bed. Make sure you sit up where you can. You won't stretch. Oh, look at him, y'all. Look